teach you how to draw a beautiful ostrich.
First of all, let's start by drawing the ostrich's beak. Now we'll draw a circle shape for the head. Ostrich has a long neck. We'll use a pencil to draw the ostrich's body. It's an oval shape. Now we'll draw the wings. I'm using the sketch pen to draw the body. And now let's draw the ostrich's leg. They have long legs, maybe the same length as the neck, and the fingers. Leg. Okay. These are for coloring the tail and the wings. And now let's draw its eyes. They have beautiful big eyes and long eyelashes. And completing its beak. And that's it. Hope you like this ostrich. Please try drawing it. It's not that hard. You can just erase the remaining parts. There you go. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.